Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Philippine National Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.pnb.com.ph and hit enter. After the home page of the PNB opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, just below the login button on the left hand side, you'll see the sign up option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign up button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, click on this agree option. After you click on the agree option, three options will appear on your screen. Now, click on the option that you require. After you click on one of those options, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to select your account type here. You'll have to fill in your card number here, your card pin here, and then click on the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to sign up to the Philippine National Bank. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the PNB. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.